Hello, I'm Carl from Sabers, and I finished this Aniflex V2 install yesterday, and here is a video to go through everything on it. So it uses a protected 18650 battery, and for the polarity, to the bottom is positive and here is negative. 28mm bass speaker here, Profi board V2, and 2 switch, main switch, aux switch, and our own Sabers NeoPixel connector. First off, and there's an OLED screen here. First of all, about the screen. So, for the aux switch, the switch comes with the Saber kit is a 665 switch, which is shorter than it should be, and I use a 666 tactile switch in it, but the problem is that you cannot screw this all the way to very tight, since it will push the aux switch and makes the Saber enter to the volume down or volume up settings. So it will, if you push the aux switch all the time, it will enter the volume adjust mode. So you need to find a spot that it will not push the button down, but you can also click it. I tried different height for this aux switch. It turns out the 666 can provide the best click like this. The 5 is just simply doesn't work. Let's put the battery into the Saber. And here you have a kill switch, which is on-off switch. So you can see.
That lightsaber was Luke's.
I am a Jedi Han Solo.
Something. Are you really a Jedi? Power.
This is a power indicator mode, so the power level will show on the blade. There is a little bar graph on the blade to tell you how much battery power you have. I think this is also a power indicator. And so it also has a battery mode, which means you can swing it on or rotate the Saber. And if you rotate it like this, it will turn off. Yeah. So about the screws on this hilt. The screw here for the CoverTech belt clip, I shortened it so it will not block the way for the trace go into the lower part of the hilt. And for this retention screw, you can see I'm currently use a flathead screw since I accidentally cut this too much, and it cannot stable the blade. The replacement is on the way. So this screw is a screw you can buy on the market, which is a 440 flathead countersink hex socket retention screw. So I bought a box of it, and it will arrive on Monday. Then I will choose. It has like 10 different heights, and I will find and choose one proper one, and then put into your Saber. And about the blade plug, as I suggested in the chat, I recommend you to find someone who has a lesson to both shorten it and narrow the out diameter, since the plastic part is little bit bigger than it should be. So I think manual sanding will not work best for that blade plug, since it's a tube shape kind of thing. If you use manual sanding, probably the shape will not be that perfect. Yeah, that's pretty much about it. So let me know if you have any questions on it, and also let me know if you would like to keep it a double button setup, or get rid of this Aux Switch to keep it a single button setup. The single button setup covers all of the function in the double one. So I think that's pretty much about it. Thank you.